Hi guys, today we gonna know how to make a fantastic wall hanging with shopping bag and paper. So you need some required materials. First you have to take a shape of pink color bag which is showing on the video.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Now mark the bag with a marker pen and a scale. Draw some line by scale on the bag. Cut it through the line by a scissors. Now draw again some line by scale on the separated sized bag. Cut it through the line by a scissors. It becomes square sized shape. Now take it and crease it like a triangle. Cut it by a scissor for a new shape which is showing on the screen. Glue their middle and adjust both of it with a little changed position. Make it more by the same way. Now take a yarn and a needle. Twist it and bind its last corner. Take two small middle blank ball on it. Now take a flower on it by the needle. Do it again and again by the same way. Make it more by the same way which is showing on the screen. Now take a white paper and crease it like a stick. Make it more by the same way. Now take them and make this like a benchy. Now glue its every joint. Glue behind the joint on it. Now take flower rope which was made by and bind it properly. Keep binding rest of them on every joint. Now take another rope and it on middle of this. Okay, now see how beautiful thing you made. So by this, you can make more paper flower and make your home more attractive.